So hello everyone, welcome back to our welcome series journey. Whenever you start this, from that day, you people have to ensure that you're sending the email. So from the video number 1, that is from 1st April, which is a private video. Now I am trying to prepare a file so that I can keep going. So what I need is for the next 7 days, I need files so that I do this exercise on a daily basis. Every day I have to do this with a new file in it. For that, since we don't have client, we assume ourselves as a client. I'll divide this D into 7 equal parts. That is where I need a random D. Okay. I'll be creating a random D, create random data extension from the NTO folder, this one. This will be having 7. Add data extension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then add the remainder 7. Okay, we have 10% each. So I want it to be 7 equal parts. So 7 equal parts, 7 3, let me do it as 15% each. 15, 15, 15. So it is 45, right? 15, 15, 15, 45. And then 15, 60, 75, and 90. Yeah, this looks better. And I'll be adding these data. This might get created, might not get created in your training account. So wait for the screen to load, add data extension. We don't have any. I'll just delete it and I'll click on save and build and click on OK. If you're lucky enough, if this is enabled, so I have all the 7 segments starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yesterday, if you people remember, we have made some sense for welcome email 1. Now, this is my segment. This is my segment. And for this 34 people, I want the opt-in date to be yesterday. What is the date today? So based on that, I'll just push this. Records, export. And this will be subscribers underscore. According to the format, it should be date, which is today, April underscore. If I'm not following the format, just watch the previous video. 04, let it be April. Or 04. 04 would be good. Underscore. I'll follow the US format. 04 April 02 date 2025. This is the file which is required for downloading. I'll go with browser download, export. Wait for the screen to load and automatically the file will be downloaded. And now I have to just add, okay, subscribers into downloads. Done. So I'll take 1 file per day and I'll be moving with that. So I have this file. I'll move it to my folder. And here I'll move it to this folder. And I have this file. So can I edit? I'm in Mac. If I'm unable to edit it here, delete this. I'm in Mac machine. So how do you edit it? To edit this, you need to move to or contact builder. And what is the date we want? The date should be 04/01, which is the opt-in date. Today is 2nd of April. This should be the opt-in date. Okay, it says when you get this error, just enable the cookie, wait for the browser to reload. I'll be doing this for 7 days. That is the exercise. Data extension, Chandra, NTO, segment 0, records, select all the, edit it, and opt-in date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know it's tedious, but do this exercise. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, I'll save it. It was only a page of 25. I'll make it as 200 and I'll scroll down. These are the ones still pending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is that we are learning with this is how to edit multiple rows using Contact Builder, which is not achievable in your Email Studio. One more difference between your Contact Builder and Email Studio. Make all these points as a note whenever you're watching this video. Now I'm ready with all of them, all the 34. Now I'll export this file again. After meeting the errors, there are two options. You can export and import it, or you can directly import into the D. So who is our master D? Everything should be added and updated here. NTO, you have to do this exercise to be very thoroughly knowing the tool. Export, done and done. Waiting for the file to get downloaded. I'll go to downloads. File naming pattern is very important. The file name should be CSV, keep it as it is. The format is important. In future, when we do the automation, you'll know this. So 04 is the date, underscore the file date. The date file is 02 underscore 2025. This is the file. I need to import this file. Why is this file gone? Okay. Okay. Subscribers underscore 04 underscore 02 underscore 2025 dot CSV. Now this is better. Now this is the exercise. The first you have to prepare the data. Data is ready. Import it into this D. And now you have to have 3 filter Ds refreshed. You have to do that refresh manually. Don't clear it. Import it with add and update feature. Add and update or update only feature based on the data. Once again, this is now to fix this issue. I'll go to setup. I need to have that FTP user ready. Each and everything we have something to learn. FTP accounts. If I don't have a user in FTP, I need to have at least one user for that. Create user. This is the default one. These are all done by admin, the one who is admin of Marketing Cloud. I am selecting all of them. This might take a minute or two to get updated. When I'm training you people on admin, I'll be explaining each and every screen. I'll just refresh it. And this should be ready to go. Permissions, it should be here. Okay, status is pending. That will get changed automatically. Don't worry. So now the agenda is very simple. Data is ready, import it, make all the segments refreshed manually, and send 3 emails. If this is not getting updated here, I have to do it in Contact Builder. All these exercises make you, okay, that's fine. It should have been fixed. That's fine. I'll go back to Contact Builder and import the file, which is ready with the data. Data extension. This is my D records, import. Okay. Choose the file 2025 SFMC. And always the best practice, know your data and then choose this. I'm going with update only to select checkboxes. When we deal with these each and every screen, you will be learning more. So now the data is ready. It might take a minute or two, but now based on the requirement from client, today minus 1 day, today minus 3 days, today minus 7 days. So send log. Okay, these are very send. Subscribers data extension. Everything is dependent on date. There are 3 filtered E's. The first one, we have 6 people here, and their opt-in date is 31st of March. Check their opt-in date, you know, this one. Now we need people. So if I refresh it, we won't get it because the date is fixed. So I'll edit this and I'll make the date to be April 1st. That is the previous day. Today is 2nd. 7 refresh. Expected 34 people. Why? Because segment 0 has 34 people in it. So you should get 34. Yes, this is right. So for welcome email to, according to date format, we need to change it to today minus 3 days. Let's go by the calendar. Today is 2, 1, 2, 3, 30th. If you have anyone, we need to get them. I know we don't have anyone of that particular date present. So 0, that's fine, but still I have to change the date. So today minus 7 days is the third one. Edit, edit, select the folder. So according to the date, today is 2nd Wednesday. It should be previous week Wednesday. Save and refresh. We know that it will be 0. Do this exercise for 7 days. Import the data. Create the data. Import the data. Refresh it with dates. Do this for 7 days. What is next? Send the email. So the second half of this training would be, which you will be doing after almost 3 weeks later. But I just want to showcase how I will be doing it. Okay. Which will be like a fast forward one. So this is, I know there are no people. So it might take a couple of days to get all these data. So this exercise of refreshing and sending. So data is ready. Based on previous day, I can now open 3 email studios. 1, 2, 3. But don't forget the order. First, I should send welcome email 1, then I should send welcome email 2, then I should be sending welcome email 3. Is the data ready? Yes. Content, content tab, and content tab. I'm in 3 different tabs now. The first tab will try to send the HTML email 1. It's still loading, still loading, still loading. Second, welcome email HTML. Welcome email 3. This is welcome email 2. And here it will be, see, this is loading. Without the first email, we're not sending any other email. So if you want, you can make this as first one. This is third one. This is ready to go. And here comes our welcome email too. Okay. Very simple process. Select your email. Click the button send on the right top in email studio. Your send classification is ready. From name, from email is ready. Select your targeted D, which is in this one, welcome email 1. Okay. Publication list has to be selected. Next, tracking folder has to be selected. Next, select send. Done. Welcome email is sent successfully. Then I'll go to the second tab, same steps, but the D is different. Email is different. We know that it is 0, but still send it because there is something to learn in future. Select the right folder. Done. Waiting for this pop-up to close automatically. Let's see whether it gets closed. Yes, it gets closed, then I'll move. Is it mandatory? No, just wait it. The third one, click on the folder, target DE, publication list. Next, change, next, next, next. Once you do this manually for a couple of days, then you will realize the need of Automation Studio. When you start doing Automation Studio, later you will realize the need of Journey Builder. Oh, so exercises, anyone who is watching this video from the day of the start, first day, complete the video number 1, then follow video number 2 for 7 days. That is the reason I've segmented it. Now, tomorrow, that is day 3, you have to pick the segment 1. Let me give you the insights. If you're unable to create these, if you're unable to create random Ds, just ping me while watching the video. Sometimes it might not be created. That's fine. I'll give you another way of doing it. Now, I need to just ensure that the date, when you are doing, you might get questions, ping me immediately. So tomorrow, the file name will be subscribers underscore 04 underscore 03 underscore 2025.csv. That is the file name. Data, that is opt-in date, will be 04/02/2025. Remember this one. Okay, done. For tomorrow, I'll make this as the D name, which is in the random D. So randomly, this is your first D. Which is 04/02. That was for today. Wait for this name to get changed. You can see this here, my mouse. And this one will be for tomorrow. Exactly, I'll name all of them. See the name here. I'll click on done, take the mouse away, wait till the name gets changed. I have to repeat this for the other stuffs. So ensure that you are changing the opt-in date only if it is empty. Don't change all of them. So what should be the date for tomorrow's file? It should be updated here. All these are the exercises, just making you people practice the tool. Do we have a meaningful output? Surely we have it. This is how any project will start that is manual. And as and when we progress, when we know that thoroughly that, yes, this is the process. So this is for tomorrow. Records. In the bottom of the page, I'll make it as 200. I'll select all of them and edit it. All the 34 is selected. So this is my opt-in date. Opt-in date is this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need not have to count it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. So 34 minus 2, 32. So we should get only 32. Now the data is ready for tomorrow. That's fine. Now you have to do this exercise every day. You have to do this exercise every day. File name and opt-in date, they are related. Be sure to do that. So what should be my next D's? Tomorrow I'll be sending. Today I want to just check whether my 3 emails are sent. And second video will be, there is second step. This project will be in 3 phases. Phase 1, all manual. Phase 2, a part of automation. Phase 3 will be almost automated with the help of Journey Builder. Today, the second video, 2nd April, video number 2 will be phase 3. So that you'll know how we will be, or what is that we'll be achieving at the end. Welcome email 1. It should be sent to 34. Sometimes it takes time to load. Have patience in Marketing Cloud. Welcome email 1, waiting for the screen to load. Let it load. Okay, today the email is sent for 34 people. The time is 7:10 p.m. I will check this when I'm doing the QA. 2nd April. It's almost the same time. That's fine. But I know the order which I've done. Today, 7:10. I was quick enough in sending. Within a minute, I've sent all the 3. That's fine. Okay, this is 7:11. I know it is 0. That's fine. Now, you have to do this. While doing this, you might get questions. So change the data, export it, import back into the original D, then refresh all the one with date, and then send the email. Now, just to save time, in future, you have to automate it. Phase 3 is what I'll be doing in video number 2. I'm just stopping my screen share and recording.